Welcome back to the sixth match in round 3 of the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores currently have Seaview Gardens Primary on 19 points and Catherine Hall Primary on 12 points. During the Junior Challenge face-off in the English language section, Seaview Gardens Primary was asked, what tense is used in the sentence, I washed the windows after the workmen had gone? Their answer was past tense, which has been accepted by the judges, as there were 2 tenses in this sentence. So we'll now move to the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 for each incorrect answer, or if they answer before being identified. So teams with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with international affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which country's national flag is displayed. Catherine Hall.
Switzerland.
Correct. Sports. Which former Jamaica and West Indies fast bowler was nicknamed Rambo because of his awesome pace with
Patrick Patterson.
Seaview?
Patrick Patterson.
Incorrect. Scared the daylight out of many batsmen. Patrick Patterson. Bible knowledge. In the story of the Good Samaritan, the man who was attacked by robbers was heading from Jerusalem to which city? Jericho. Science. What is the name for a situation in which there are too many animals eating grass in an area over a long Seaview Gardens?
Overgrazing.
Period of time. Correct. English language. Spell chicanery, which means the use of deception to achieve a purpose. Chicanery. Music. Which American recorded the song All I Want for Christmas Is You? Catherine Hall.
Mariah Carey.
Correct. General knowledge. Mar del Plata and Buenos Aires are major cities in which South... Catherine Hall.
Argentina.
Which South American country? Correct. Television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Lynn Whitfield. Mathematics. What is 87.5% written as a decimal? Seaview Gardens.
0.875. 0.875.
Written as a decimal, correct. Social studies. Which set of Europeans claimed St. Kitts and Nevis in 1624?
1624. Which language St. Kitts and Nevis speak? English.
The British. Television. Cruella de Vil is a character. Seaview.
101 Dalmatians.
In which Disney movie? Correct. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Hurricane. I didn't know Hurricane.
International footballer Harry Kane. Bible knowledge. In which book of the Bible is this question asked? Who can find a virtuous woman? Proverbs. Science. What is the name for the changing of waste materials into new objects to use? Seaview.
Recycling.
In a different way from its original use? Correct. English language. Does the word salacious mean friendly, scandalous, or serious?
Scandalous. Percy?
Seaview.
Scandalous.
Correct. Music. What is a collective name for sharps and flats? Seaview.
Occidentals.
Correct. General knowledge. Specifically, what is the current name of the country formerly known as Zaire?
Zaire.
The Congo, or the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Local affairs. Who is the president of the Jamaica Olympic Association? Catherine Hall.
Mike Fennell.
Incorrect. Christopher Samuda. Mathematics. What is the product of 0.0367 and 1 million? Catherine Hall.
36,700.
Correct. Social studies. In the late 18th century, by what name was Haiti known? Seaview Gardens.
Saint Dominique.
Correct. Bible and we won't be getting to that question. That is the bell signifying the end of this round and the end of today's match. The final scores now have Catherine Hall Primary on 18 points and Seaview Gardens Primary on 31 points. So congratulations to Seaview Gardens Primary, and until next time, Catherine Hall Primary. Please stay with us. We'll wrap things up after these messages.